Hello and welcome to the Easy Solution Systems tutorial videos. I'm Jesse Brown and today we'll be going through expenses in Retailman. Each business can incur expenses of various types such as power, water, insurances, petrol, etc. To enter these, we need to create service items for each expense in the stock file. To do that, you need to go to the stock card. We go to new to create the service item. I'll search for it as I've already created one. So we've named it power and notice that it's a service item. The details is power expenses. Notice that there is no pricing. We need to keep this as 0. We enter the tax type, if it has tax on it. Then we enter the purchase account, which is property, light and power. This account is a part of the chart of accounts in Retailman. If we double click on the field, that will take us to the expenses. We'll go to the property power, which is 9195, as you can see here. If we use that, we can either enter the account itself or the account code and press enter to get the account. Once we do that, we can leave everything else as is and then save it. Once we get a bill from the power company, we need to enter that under the purchase. We go to the purchase screen and make sure it's a purchase and not a purchase order. Here we enter the company code, which is whoever we buy this service from. Here we can enter the reference number, which is the number on the bill that we receive from our supplier. Enter the person that does the entry. Here we enter power, which is the service item we entered under stock. We leave the quantity as 1. The cost is the amount that comes from that invoice received by the supplier. So let's say $550. Once we save it, that will register into our chart of accounts and all the accounting reports will show that expense under the property power. Once we click save, we can now go to the chart of accounts to check the entry. So we click on accounts, daily transaction reports. If we press screen to bring up the entry for today, it has posted the account against the Western Power, which is under the trade creditors, as well as the tax component and the amount paid on that invoice. All the expenses can go through the same route, which is creating a service item in the stock and then posting it in a certain chart of accounts and then enter expenses through the purchase screen. I hope this video has been helpful and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.